Hello guys, this is Vyshnav and you are watching Android Banner. Moto X⁴, which was launched with Android Nougat, has now reportedly started receiving its stable Android 9.0 Pie. The latest development comes weeks after Motorola kicked off a soak test of the Android Pie update. The new software version also comes bundled with the November Android security patch. It is also likely to bring the core Android Pie features including the gesture-based system navigation as well as app actions and adaptive battery and adaptive brightness, etc. The Moto X⁴ now received Android 8.0 Oreo as the first major software update in December. The stable Android Pie update for the Moto X⁴ is now rolling out in Brazil, reports XDA developers. The screenshot confirming the new update reveals that it brings software version PPW 29.69/26 and comes along with November Android security patch. It is speculated that the Android Pie update is rolling out as an over-the-air update (OTA). Earlier this month, it was reported that Motorola started a soak test of the Android Pie update with a small group of beta testers ahead of rolling out the new version for the masses. The beta testing was reportedly conducted in India with build number PPW 29.69/17. The Motorola to confirm the rollout of the stable Android Pie update for the Moto X⁴ and will update the space accordingly. Meanwhile, you can check the availability of the system of the latest update by going to settings and click the software updates. If you seen the update, please update it. So I think maybe the update available in January 2019. So thank you guys for watching this video and don't forget to like the video, share the video. Bye bye, see you later.